The SCCM software update scan succeeds, but the expected update is missing from Software Center. Do not reset Windows Update yet. A scan refreshes applicability data. It does not prove that the client received a deployment, reached its schedule, or made that update actionable. In this quick generic lab, we will use WUAHandler.log, UpdatesHandler.log, and UpdatesDeployment.log to separate scan success from deployment evaluation. Use only sanitized isolated lab evidence and never show real deployment identifiers, collections, devices, servers, domains, addresses, URLs, or credentials. Ask two separate questions. First, can Windows Update Agent complete a scan against the managed update source? Second, did Configuration Manager receive and evaluate a deployment assignment that makes this update available or required? WUAHandler and Windows Update answer the first question. PolicyAgent, Scheduler, UpdatesDeployment, and UpdatesHandler answer the second. Software Center is downstream of both. Treating these as one event causes wasted resets because a healthy scanner cannot invent a missing deployment or override an update that is not applicable. Trigger one software update scan cycle in the generic lab and record the time. In WUAHandler.log, confirm that Windows Update Agent completed the search without the error being investigated. In UpdatesHandler.log, an assignment evaluation can show that the scan job was initiated and completed. Stop reading these entries as proof that the patch must appear. They only prove the detection request returned. The decisive next event belongs to UpdatesDeployment.log. Open UpdatesDeployment.log at the same timestamp and correlate the sanitized deployment unique ID. A healthy evaluation receives the assignment, starts detection, receives detection completion, records that it is making updates available, and adds actionable updates to the targeted list. If the expected update never enters that list, Content Transfer Manager and bits are not the current problem because no download should start. The failure is still in assignment policy, schedule, or applicability. If the update is not targeted, follow three branches. First, PolicyAgent.log must contain the deployment assignment, otherwise verify deployment enablement, target collection, current membership, and management point policy. Second, Scheduler.log must agree with the software available time and deadline. Third, UpdatesStore.log and the latest scan must report the update as applicable, already installed, superseded, or not applicable updates are not offered. Confirm the update remains in the deployed software update group. Do not change all three layers at once. In the Configuration Manager control panel applet on one approved lab endpoint, run machine policy retrieval and evaluation cycle once, then software updates deployment evaluation cycle once. Record the start time and follow PolicyAgent, Scheduler, UpdatesDeployment, and UpdatesHandler. This is a controlled reproduction, not a remediation. Do not delete software distribution, clear the Configuration Manager cache, restart services, or reinstall the client to solve a missing assignment. Those actions cannot correct collection targeting, deployment timing, or applicability logic. The quick checklist is: prove the scan completed, prove the deployment assignment arrived, and prove updates deployment added the expected update to the targeted list. Only after that event should you follow Content Transfer Manager, Location Services, and Data Transfer Service for content. Sanitize every exported log and replace real identifiers, devices, servers, domains, addresses, URLs, accounts, and credentials. The expected result is a clear first missing handoff and a remediation owned by the correct layer. Next tip will troubleshoot a patch download stuck at 0%.